Once upon a time, a connected device just meant being plugged in. But wires can only reach so far, and things can get tangled quickly. Then came the field bus. By routing all your wires through one hub, you could get high-bandwidth cable connections where you need them with less mess. But hey, who needs wires at all? Wireless connectivity removed the physical network and now enables a freewheeling, flexible floor plan at factories, or physically flexible at least. Once you try to connect and manage all these wireless devices, you may find you've swapped a messy factory floor for conflicting, competing connections. Flexibility behind a firewall isn't flexible at all. So how are you going to crack the flexibility ceiling? Cellular networks cut through the flexibility ceiling by creating one overall standard and are ready to revolutionize manufacturing output today. The Ericsson and HMS collaboration empowers seamless retrofitting of cellular connectivity to current factory units, so companies can trial new processes locally at low cost. High bandwidth without cables, flexible floor plans, dense device layouts without crowded networks or dead spots, and no need to replace a single device. We are working together to enable the vision of smart manufacturing, connecting the industrial world to future-proof, flexible cellular technology. Be limitless with Ericsson.